Hello everyone and welcome to another GoDaddy tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to change the A records in GoDaddy. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all you have to do is to log in GoDaddy. You're going to click on the top right hand side. You're going to select My Products. And once this screen loads here, you're going to scroll down and you are going to find the domain where you want to change the A record. So let's say we want to do this for this domain. You're going to click on DNS, and once you click on DNS, you're going to go straight in this screen, and the first option that you are going to see when this page loads is going to be called DNS Records. Now, once this page loads, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see your A records, and there are two options here. You can edit the existing A record, which is the recommended A record. You can give the name, the value, you can save, and that's it. That's how easy it is to change the A record in GoDaddy. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.